Hi everyone, welcome to Roaming the Beehive. If you're new here, I'm Melissa, and today we're checking out one of West Jordan's newest restaurants, Mama Bird Southern Kitchen. Mama Bird is a Southern-inspired kitchen and smokehouse. Their aim is to deliver home-cooked, hearty, and wholesome meals. They opened their first location in 2018 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Utah has the honor of having the second location ever to be built in the U.S. Before we head inside, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting us know your favorite restaurant spot in Utah or in your state. Right away, I'm loving the atmosphere. Mama Bird has warm, welcoming Southern feel with modern touches. The menu is packed with Southern favorites. There are chicken dishes, biscuits, sandwiches, brunch plates, and some delicious looking sides.
Thank you. Like, do you guys any watermelon lemonade, iced tea?
No, just water for now.
Water for now.
All right. Well, I know these menus are pretty big, so if you need that extra minute, any suggestions, I'm happy to help.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry, dear. Maybe
It's
some
okay,
eggs,
Mama.
protein.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for the scramble. It looks like it comes with a muffin or a biscuit or something. So.
While waiting for our meal, we noticed that they sell their own jams, root beers, spices, and several other things.
Want to try a muffin?
Oh, they have a sauce.
Yeah, you got some special sauce. Taste it with like by itself though.
Yeah.
Country fried potatoes.
After visiting Mama Bird, we decided that we will definitely be coming back. Next time, I want to try their fried chicken and their homemade root beer.